Today I will be showing you how to pick up a dropped stitch in stockinette fabric. Picking up a dropped stitch in stockinette is really not very difficult, but I know it can be scary for newer knitters. I have a swatch where a stitch has been dropped. Now, the best thing is, as soon as you notice a drop stitch in a project, grab a lockable stitch marker and grab the live stitch and place a stitch marker right there so you don't lose it, so it doesn't run farther down. That will lock it in place and the repair will be as minimal as possible. So now, to actually pick up that dropped stitch, we need to get the knitting so that the live stitch is in between needles. So I need to slip my stitches until I get above that dropped column of dropped stitches, like so. Now, a crochet hook comes in very handy for this. So I will place that stitch on the crochet hook and then remove the marker. And now I need to reveal all of the ladders, and that first ladder can sometimes hide below. So you need to make sure you lift all of the ladders up so you don't miss one. And I've got 4 here. So my crochet hook has the hook pointing up. I will go under that bar, pivot, and pull a stitch through. Now I will repeat that. Pivot to pull it through and make the hook facing up again. Grab that bar, pull it through, grab that bar, and pull it through. And now I will place it. You can place it on either needle, but make sure you place it untwisted. So the right leg should be in front. So this is the left leg. So I will scoop it. Oops. I'll scoop it like so. And then get it off of the crochet hook. And now my yarn is over on that side, so now I can just slide all these back. Now sometimes, if you had knitted for a while and didn't realize you had dropped a stitch, these could be tighter when you pull them up because you didn't have really enough slack for there to be stitches there. So keep that in mind. You may want to ease some of the tension, ease some fabric from the stitches on either side into those tighter stitches, or just resign yourself to the fact that those stitches will be tighter. But that is the basic method of picking up a dropped knit stitch in stockinette fabric. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the videos that you see on my channel. Thank you so much.